Okay, in this fourth video in the series of contributing to the help files for gateballschools.com.au, or croquetschools.com, we'll actually look at how to edit pages. And so what you first need to do after heading to your GitHub account and going to the user documentation content repository, you need to select what help files you're going to be updating. Will they be gateballschools.com or croquetschools.com? For this demonstration we'll be looking at gateballschools.com. So I've now looking at gateballschools.com. We can ignore the root directory here with the three files called contributing, license and readme. You can certainly go ahead and read those at your leisure, but for this video we'll look at editing files. So we go into the site folder and we go into the help folder or directory. Okay, so there are what we got there, half a dozen 6 pages of help, and you can go ahead and edit any of those pages, and once you have completed your edit, sending me a pull request, and if I deem them appropriate, more than likely I will, they'll be pulled into the master repository and then the website will be updated accordingly. In this example we will take a look at editing the Tournament Manager page. So we click on that and we can see here roughly how the page will look on the website, except it won't have this section, this top section here called front matter. We'll learn more about front matter in just a moment, and here is the help page itself. So you can see it's quite long, and this is for tournament managers to learn how to use the website from an admin point of view. Okay, so we've determined for Gateball Schools that parts of this file is not appropriate, so we will click on the edit this file icon, the pencil, and so now we get into the actual file ready for editing. And it starts off with this front matter that I spoke about in the beginning. Front matter is required on every page, and it's metadata for the website to know, for instance, the title field here is Tournament Manager. That is what will appear in the tab of the person browsing the gateballschools.com website, and to follow is who has authored this page. So if you're contributing to this page, why not get some recognition for that by adding yourself as an author. Okay, so there we've added an author. So if you just copy the template from the author that's already in the front matter, then you'll be set. Okay, now the pages for gateballschools.com and croquetschools.com are, the help pages are formatted with Markdown. We'll talk about in a video, upcoming video, about the basics of using Markdown, but for this video we'll just look at editing raw text as to removing it, adding it, that we deem not appropriate for this, for gateballschools.com. And if we just search down, okay, so Air Cup, Interstate Shield and GC World Team Championships. Obviously not required for gateballschools.com. So it's just a simple text editor. Highlight the parts that you don't need and hit delete. It's as simple as that. And then we don't need this line. The other way of deleting is to go to the end and just hold down the backspace forever, and away you go. We can add our own text. As I said, it's a basic text editor, but using Markdown for formatting, which again we'll look in a future video. So once you've made your changes, sorry about that, a backup just popped up. Once you've made your changes, you come down to the commit changes section, and you might it has a default to say updating of the current file that you're changing. It's preferable that you actually give a brief description as to what it is you've done. Treat it as a subject line, like an email subject line. So remove references to croquet tournaments. Okay, and then it will automatically say commit directly to the gateballschools.com branch. That's what we're editing, so yes, that's great, and we will commit the changes. Okay, so we can see when we come back to the page, it shows us the page, and we look further down, and the tournament type, there's now only teams. We had removed the others, and that's the text that we had created before. So I just want to show you one more thing, and that is when you are editing the file and you've made the changes, but you want to just check it out, how it will look on, how it will really look on screen. You can use the preview changes option at the top, and that's how it works. Alright, so that's how you edit a page. We'll now in the next video look at adding new pages.